When you look at the macro platinum market, the lower grade mines are the ones that are closing, and this one really shows its colors under a stress environment, and that's why the project's going forward. Not only are the banks, quite a strong group of banks that have gotten involved in this project, but also our shareholders. If you look at our list of shareholders, Franklin Templeton, Genesis, JP Morgan, some of the biggest institutions in the world, Liberty Insurance out of Boston. These are very mature and seasoned investors that look for a longer term investment. The mining life is 20 years on this project. The platinum price is poor at 8 Rand to the dollar and $1,400 platinum. It's not a great price. When we look holistically at the industry, and this has been well publicized, we're really through the flat part of the S-curve. If you look at any commodity, it has an S-curve where if you drop the price any lower, you go through the majority of the production profile. My personal belief is we're there now. You're seeing it in the earnings of the major producers. You're seeing it in terms of mine closures and deferral of capital into the industry. And again, we actually like that environment because it means that we're in the phase where we're going to see the price respond. And we do have until mid-2014 that we're into production. So the time to have this torque on the industry is actually right now, and have the results show up in 2014, 2015 as we ramp up into production. So, I think we're very fortunate that we have shareholders with a view that's longer term, and that gives us the ability to drive into that period. So we have a lot of confidence in the world's need for platinum. In terms of demand, there's a couple of interesting statistics that we like to point to. Number one, some of the strongest car sale numbers ever in the world are reported by J.D. Power and Associates, looking at 80 million vehicles a year. We've never seen that number in the history of the Earth before. Nobody's talking about that, but those are the facts. I think that bodes very well in the demand for platinum over the next few years. And also, if you look even on a macro basis, one of our banks is Caterpillar Finance out of Zurich, and they tell us that their order book for heavy equipment has never been more full. So although there's a lot of rhetoric about Europe and European debt and so on, when you really look where the rubber hits the road, pardon the pun, we actually see a pretty robust world ahead, and we see a great opportunity for better platinum prices.